So I don't think you're supposed to be doing it like that.
Doing what? I know what I'm doing.
And here's the proper way.
Back to the channel, guys. Today we're talking about how to properly tip your mower over so this doesn't happen. Whether you're changing your mower blade, doing some other sort of maintenance, or just cleaning the thing out, tip your mower over properly so you don't end up with hydro lock, fuel spilled everywhere, or just simply fluids in places that they don't belong. I don't know how safe that is. And even if you put a cinder block on there, I don't know, just seems a little iffy. You could put a board here, you could get down on your back. This just doesn't seem like the best position. How this mower is positioned with the air box on this side and the exhaust on this side. So if I tip the mower over this way, just like before, and you can get in there and tip it up like this, but good luck working on it at the same time. Again, you're going to run into situations of leakage, cloggage, so on, because both of those ports are on the front side now. All right, so let's get into the actual maintenance. Step 1, level ground. Make sure your machine's on level ground. This is a pretty simple task to deal with. Number 2, we're going to remove the spark plug wire off of the spark plug, like this. And we're going to remove our air filter, like this. You can leave it open or not. I'm going to close it up. Set this aside for cleaning. And I know this is the part of the video and the chats where somebody's going to get in there and tell me, if you turn it on to the right side, it's just going to leak oil out. What's that about? My mechanic told me that. Hey, I tried it. Well, that's because you missed step 3. Check this out. If you haven't noticed, back here in the background, there's a little sticker about how to tip this thing. Anybody that knows what that says, let me know down in the comments. Okay, so when you flip a mower over on its side with the air filter, you may see oil drip out and so on and think that it's coming out of the carburetor. It's actually not coming out of the carburetor. It's coming out of an air tube, which is a breather tube for the engine. So we don't want to clog that. All right, so that brings us down to step number 3. This one's easy. Top dead center. Well, it's the most difficult one of this steps because the other 2 were pretty easy. This should really be the 2-step program. Top dead center. I'll show you how that works. So top dead center is kind of like this. Inside of your engine, there's pistons that move up and down like this. What we need to do is create an equal volume of those at top dead center. That way, none of the fluid can go out of there, and we won't create a hydro lock. If you want to know more about hydro locks, check out this. Basically what we're going to do to put this into top dead center is we're going to pull this engine. You're going to do it from up there, but you're going to pull this engine like this. And what we're looking for is that really hard spot. There's 2 of them that go around. One of them is lighter than the other one. One is really tough to get through. So just work it through a few times until you find that spot. I'm going to show you right here. That one was easy. Put some force. It's locking up there. I'm going to get that coil back. That's locked up right there. I'm going to pull through. There we go. Pull through. Lock up again. We're locked. Set, let me go. But now I got a nice snug on there. That now is top dead center. And now you can do this. The proper way to tip this thing over is on its exhaust side, but not just on its exhaust side. After you've done step 3, that's top dead center. So now we've done the 3 steps. We're on level ground. We've removed the spark plug so this thing doesn't turn on by accident when we're pulling on that thing to get it to the 3rd step. Removed the air filter. And the 3rd thing, get this thing at top dead center. Once it's there, leave it there. Take a few tries to check it out. Then we're ready to turn it. Exhaust side. I'm going to leave this thing for a while, and I'll be back. Hey, if you guys found any part of this video helpful, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and hit that notification button for our next video. All right, guys, we're back. It's been about an hour and a half. Hour and 40 minutes. Let's tip this thing back over and see what happened. Looks like we got a little bit of dirt, and that's it. That's all because we followed the 3 steps. Remember, go back through this video, check them out. And now that we followed those 3 simple steps, we're back into getting that maintenance done that we started on. Whether you're giving this thing a clean, doing some sort of maintenance, this one actually needs an O-ring seal, or grinding this thing to sharpen the blades. This is the proper way to tip your mower. Okay, so we're back. And if you're into other mower maintenance or other type of projects, check out a video like this, or this. So the proper way to tip this thing over is on its exhaust side, but not just on its exhaust side.